So here's an update video on my 2018 BMW 540d. So I had it in the shop a couple weeks ago. There was a NOx sensor code, nitrogen oxide, not NOx. There was a code for that. They ran a test of the SCR system and it came back negative, and that particular error has not returned. So then a few days later, I now have a check engine light that has popped up, and I pulled the code, and actually the particular code that I pulled is nowhere to be found on the internet anywhere, which is kind of interesting. It's probably unique to the US 540D, and it was something about echo fault, active tank, SCR, something or other. I'm just going off of memory there, and it said it was intermittent, but I've been through about 5 or 6 start cycles since then, and the light is staying on. So it definitely gives the dealership something to look at. It's going in tomorrow. I wonder what I'll get as a loaner. But yeah, one of my criteria of buying this car was making sure it had warranty and hopefully shaking the bugs out. I think I've got 6 months left of warranty on it. Now when I search by words, it seems like that code means that the DEF tank is bad, which I guess is a pretty pricey proposition if you're not under warranty. So we'll see what they say, and I will do an update video